What's going on, guys? It's Warriors of the Grind, and I want to talk to you today about, are you living by excuses or are you living by example? So what do I mean by that? So it's so easy to make excuses for anything that you can think of. Excuses for not taking any kind of action, excuses for not changing, for not growing, for not doing something with your life that you really want to be doing instead of just being where you are currently right now. Or are you an actual example to others? Are you leading by example? Do other people look at you and say, man, this person is just nonstop? Are they complimenting you? Are people looking in your direction? Are people keeping an eye on you as to the things that you're doing that's so different from where they are? If you look at that in a good way, if you look at other people's beliefs, other people's perception of you, good or bad, that's a good thing, because then that means that people are paying attention to you. Understand that bad PR is actually good PR in some cases, so you can't necessarily worry about what everybody else is thinking. You're never going to make everybody happy, guys. You know, sometimes I think that we're so concerned about making everybody happy, about being that good person for everybody, and it's just never going to happen. It's impossible. It's so much easier to focus on what you need to be doing, the task at hand, the goals, the long-term goals, when you just say, forget about what everybody else thinks, and let me just show them what I'm made of. Let me show them where I'm going. So try not to live by these excuses. Excuses are so easy to get caught up in. We make so many excuses, you might not even realize it. You're just living by excuses. You can't do it today, or now's not the right time, or I should have started before and now it's too late, or the weather's bad, the economy's bad, I'm not in that position, I don't live in the right place. Whatever your excuse is, you gotta just forget about that. Forget about making excuses. Stop making excuses, guys, and just start somewhere. Get the ball rolling. You're not gonna get no momentum if you don't get the ball rolling. Everybody has potential, and you have potential, but what are you going to do with it? How are you going to take action? How are you going to get people to recognize that you are a unique person and you have something to offer other than just sitting around and the years ticking by and you're watching yourself age and get older, thinking about that one special day that's going to come about where you can do something and change your life? And that's never going to happen. It's never going to happen because you're not making it happen. You're waiting for somebody else to bring a solution to you. You're waiting for your life to be changed by some other greater force outside of your own control, and it's not going to happen, guys. So now let's talk about leading by example. And what you're going to do is that over time, you're going to lead by example. You're going to have people compliment you. You're going to have people recognize you. People are going to come up to you and say, what are you doing? Tell me more about you. I noticed you're doing this, or I heard about you through this person, or I saw you somewhere and now I'm interested in learning a little bit more about, how you got to this point. So guys, you want to be your own person. You want to be that person that other people look up to, and eventually you want to brand yourself as this unique individual who's now like nobody else out there. I don't want to be like anybody else. I want to be my own unique person. When somebody thinks of being a warrior, when somebody thinks of the grind, I want people to consider me. I want people to consider what we do here at Warriors of the Grind, and let people know that we highlight people who are unlike anybody else. We highlight those, we respect and appreciate those people who are doing more with their life than just living for themselves. You're not like the people who are watching other videos that are useless. You're out there seeking information. You're seeking videos like this. You're seeking information and connection to something that resonates with you because that's who you are. And everybody's not like that. Some people play that game. Some people like to play I'm motivated, and some people like to dabble in I have a dream and I have goals that I want to reach, but it's never really truly something that they mean to accomplish. Success, guys, that's what you want, that's what you need to pursue, and you're not going to get there by making excuses. You got to lead by example. You got to show people, I went through the tough times, this is what I learned, and now here I am. I'm an example of success. I'm a model of success. So guys, once you start, just don't look back. Keep going, keep setting the example, forget about the excuses, listen to other people's excuses and say, yeah, that's nice. People blame the economy. Oh, okay, well, that's great. I guess that's your excuse, but it's not mine. There are people who are going to want their excuses to also be your excuses as well. And sometimes you might have to say, yeah, you're right. Yeah, this politician's crazy. And yeah, economy's bad. And, times are tough and all this stuff, but you know that when you're in your own setting, when on your own personal time, you know that you're hitting it and you know that you're grinding and you know that those excuses don't affect you. They only affect everybody else who's willing to give up, but you aren't. So guys, leave your comments, make sure you're subscribed. This is Warriors of the Grind. I hope you guys are still doing it. No giving up, guys. This is not what we're about. We're warriors. You keep it going. Stay strong, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Take care, guys.